Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be counting up my sinking funds, because remember I let you guys know that I was going to start counting what we end each month with my sinking funds to pretty much see how much we saved for each month. So that is what we're going to be doing today. So today is February 25th, but this video will be going up on Saturday, February 27th. You know, since this is pretty much the end of the month, I'm just going to go ahead and have this video go up on Saturday. And so I'm just going to go ahead and go through and count to see where we're at with our sinking funds, and then I'm going to total everything up to see what that entire balance comes to. So if you guys are interested, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I do have my little notebook right here, and this is pretty much the balance that we started out at the beginning of February. And then once I finish counting up everything, this is where the end of balance is going to go. And then I'm just going to calculate this entire sinking fund balance, and I'm going to record it right here so that I can see what we end the month of February with. So the first sinking fund binder we're going to start with is this one right here, the gold and white one. And right here I just have my 1000 K slips. And so, and guys, do you guys like my little keychain charm right here? I got this from Amazon, you guys, and it is so cute, and I thought it just went so perfect with this binder. I also got it for this one. I pretty much got it for all of my cash envelope binders, and I just think it's so cute. I did get this off of Amazon, so if you guys would like to purchase this for whatever your initial is, then I will have this link in the description box below. And then of course everything that you see in this video, there is a link in the description box for it. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first envelope that we're going to get started with today is going to be birthday. So let me see how I can keep this down. Okay, so the first envelope is going to be birthday. So let's just go ahead and see what birthday has today. So it looks like I made a deposit on February 5th, and it looks like the balance should be at $2,800. So let's just see if that is correct. So we have 1,000, 2,000, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 750, and 800. So we do have $2,800 in this binder right here. So I'm going to go ahead and write that down on my sheet. So I know that you guys won't be able to see this. So we have 2,800. And then next up we have Christmas. And so on the 5th we made a deposit of $167, and before that we had $307. So let me go ahead and calculate this up, y'all, so that I can make sure I can get all of this right. So 307 plus 167, so that means that this balance should be at $474. So let's see. We have, let me go ahead and straighten this up. Okay, so we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. So we do have $474 here. So this is correct. Let me go ahead and write 474, 474, and then 474. Okay, Christmas has 474. And then next up we have homeschool. So for homeschool we were at 150, and then on February 5th I did deposit $50. So 150 plus 50, we should be at $200. And then right here, I don't know if you guys can see, if my camera will focus, Right here, I did make an Amazon purchase for my homeschooling cash envelope. I had to get some stuff for my kids homeschooling. And so I am going to actually be taking this $57 out when I do my sinking fund cash envelope stuffing video, which I should have up sometime next week. So stay tuned for that video. So what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to make sure that for now, this envelope is stuffed with $200. So let's see. Okay, so we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 200. Okay, so homeschool has $200. Let's go ahead and write that over here. Okay, and then next up we have YouTube. So for YouTube, we ended at $150, and then on the 5th I did deposit $50. So 150 plus 50 is $200. And then also I made an Amazon purchase for my YouTube channel because I went ahead and grabbed me another mic because I needed another one. So I did use $34 from Amazon. And what I do with my sinking funds is that, like, if I make an online purchase, what I do is I just round to the nearest dollar. So for this one right here, I think I spent like $33.94. I just went ahead and rounded off to $34. That way I don't have to use any change when I'm doing my sinking funds. So YouTube should have $200. So let's see. Okay, you guys, so we have 100, 150, 170, 180, 190, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 200. Okay, so YouTube has $200. Okay. And then, like I said, with that $34, I will handle that once I do my sinking fund cash envelope stuffing video. And so next up we have giveaway. And with giveaway we ended at $140, and then on February 5th I deposited $60. Giveaway should have $200. So 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. Okay. So giveaway has $200. And don't forget, you guys, once I reach 5,000 subscribers, that is when I am going to be doing my giveaway video. And I am super excited about that because that is going to be a really, really nice giveaway. So I am super excited. And then next up we have car maintenance. And so our balance was at $380, and then on February 5th I went ahead and deposited $100. So $380 plus 100 makes this $480. So this envelope should have $480. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 420, 440, 460, and 480. So that is good. 480. It feels so good to have a budget for car maintenance. I actually recently just had a maintenance appointment, but I didn't have to pay anything. But I was super excited because if I would have had to pay something, then I most definitely had a budget for it. Okay, and so next up we have car registration. And then car registration ended at $100. February 5th I did deposit $50, so we should have $150, and we do, as you guys can see, $150 for car registration. Okay, and then for YouTube taxes, the balance was at $100. On the 5th, I put in 50, so we should be at 150, and we are. 150. And then the very last envelope in this binder is going to be for my cell phone bill. And you guys, just in case some of you guys are new to my channel, my cell phone bill only costs me $500 per year, and that's to have my phone bill paid up for an entire year, which is fantastic. So I always make sure that I pay my phone in full, so that is one less bill that I have to worry about. Okay, so phone bill was at $175, and then on the 5th I added in 125, so 175 plus 125 equals 300. So this envelope should be at 300. So we have 100, 200, 250, 270, 290, 295, 300. Perfect. $300 for my cell phone. All right. And so that is all that we have in this envelope right here, you guys. So now we are going to go ahead and move on over to the black envelope. And so right here, Shania, that is my daughter. She ended, well, she started the month of February with $625. Oh, and I forgot, you guys, she started the month with $625, and I did not add any money to this envelope, this cash binder right here. But we are just going to go ahead and just make sure that this is stocked with $625. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20, and 5. So for the month of March, I actually will be adding money to this black sinking fund binder. I didn't add any for the month of February, but March going forward, I will be making sure that I add money to these sinking fund binders. So Qantas, which is my son, he should be at $625. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20, and 5. And this is just their savings right here, you guys. We do have a savings account for them, but I also wanted to make an envelope as well. So whenever this gets to, I don't know, a certain amount, I'll take this out and then I will transfer it into their savings account. Maybe once I hit month 6, I'll just go ahead and take everything out and put it into their savings account. And then mommy, which is myself, looks like I should have $295 in here. So 100, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 290, and 295. So that is correct. Let's go ahead. Qantas had 625. Mommy 295. And then next up is daddy, which is my husband, and he should have $295 as well. So we have 100, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 290, and 295. Okay. And then lastly, we have vacation. And the vacation should be at $405. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 405. So that is good. Okay, so 405. Okay, you guys, so what we're going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead, excuse these little grease stains that I have right here, you guys. So right now I'm about to go ahead and total all of these up right here so that we can see how much we saved in sinking funds for the month of February. So starting out, we have $2,800 plus $474 plus $200 plus $200 plus $200 plus $480 plus $150 plus $150 plus $300 plus $625 plus $625 plus $295 plus $295 plus $405 equals $7,199. Okay, you guys, so for the month of February, we have a total of $7,199 saved for our sinking funds. So that is a really nice and exciting savings. I'm super excited about that, you guys. So yeah, that is going to be it for this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Share this video with your family and your friends. And don't forget, you guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate if you would consider subscribing, because I would really love to have you guys here. That is going to be it for this video, you guys. As always, leave me some comments down in the comment section below. Let me know if you are new to my channel, or if you've been here, just leave me something anyway. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.